Hi guys, I'm part of Vanlife Fan Gaming, and today I'm Amelia, by the way. And today I'm showing you through our electrics. So this is a volt reader, and so here is the solar panels. Here is the battery. So the red goes on the red, the black goes on the black. So we put the black one here, the solar, and the red one goes right here. So it's giving a reading of 20.2. So then we go on to here. So then that will be 13.34. So that's our reading. So that is very good. So that is a very good reading. So hopefully our electrics will work. Right, so here we have 3 solar panels over here. So 1, 2 and 3. They also keep a low profile for us, so we can go under height barriers. Here is the Wi-Fi, so we can lift it up like this, and we can also put it down. So it's not too high, so we are trying to keep a low profile when we do it. So this is our Wi-Fi, it's this box here, and it's really nice. And we've put it on a hinge here, so it won't come off, and just goes like that. And you know the roof that I was talking to you about before? Here it is, it's up right now, and that's what it looks like from up here. So this keeps us having a low profile, so we can still go under height barriers. Hi everyone, so I've brought my daddy so he can explain the electrics with you. So there's electrics below him actually, but yeah. So Daddy, what size batteries do we have?
So we actually have 3 battery in series. So we've got 105 amp hour batteries. So in total we've got 315 amp hours. Now because we're using wet cell batteries, which are normal deep cycle lead acid batteries, you can only discharge them by 50%. So we actually currently have 153 amp hours in total worth of usable battery.
What controller do we use?
We're currently using the CTEK, which is the 250 SE, and we've coupled that with the 120 Smart Pass, which is actually second best to Victron, but for our battery purposes it's perfect for us. So what it actually enables us to do is, once our batteries are fully charged, it diverts all the excess power from the solar directly into the van battery, so it keeps our van battery topped up. Also, if our van battery actually won't start the engine, the discharger will actually take all the power off our leisure batteries and take it straight into our starter battery, so we should never have to worry about having a dead battery.
Okay, well this is my daddy and he'll be explaining some of the electrics to you.
Yeah, so to help monitor, let me just grab this camera. So to help monitor our batteries, we actually have
this from the old van.
Let's see, we have a battery monitor. Now this is basically the same as the Victron battery monitor, but on this one, not only does it cost a fraction of the price, but it will show you the current voltage of the batteries, how many amp hours you're currently using, and how many you have in total, and your percentage of discharge. Also, if you actually start using energy, let's turn on the lights on, it will tell you, see the minus sign, it will tell you current electric usage. So that's saying that we're using 0.1 amps. But if you start getting solar, it will tell you, it will go to a plus sign, it will tell you how much it's actually charging. So you can actually calculate your usage and how long your batteries are going to last.
And also, we don't use normal electricity, we use solar panels. So that's why we have solar panels above. We've also made the solar panels look like it's a rack, so we can have a low profile as well.
So we've gone for complete off-grid here. So that's why we've got the large battery banks. We're also currently using
this from the old van as well.
Now these are your marine switches. So we have,
so you can turn them on and off.
Currently nothing on here yet, but underneath we have
these, so we can put our USBs in, and we also have this.
So you got my fingernails. We've got four 4 USBs here, plus a 12-volt socket for charging stuff next to the counter or bed. And over in the kitchen area, we've got another 4 USBs and another 12-volt socket there. So
and we've also got our portable stove over here.
So we'll go into the kitchen a bit later on, but this is our gas oven.
And if you're wondering why the walls are a different colour, that is just to stop grease stains from going on. So as you can see here, we haven't quite finished it, so this is a different colour from this, but so it'll hopefully prevent grease stains.
So we currently have 2 12-volt reading lights, LED reading lights, which got for spotlights. One here.
And we've got a fan here.
And one here. Also for lighting, we have the LED tracks, which are now wired into 12-volt.
Yes. We have a fan here.
We have the Sirocco 2, which is the brushless motor, low energy and silent 12-volt fan.
So we can turn it on by here. So we can do that. Then we press it again for 6, press again for 9, press again for 12. But so basically 3 is the lowest level it can be.
It's fully movable, so you should get us any angle you want.
I'm staying away from that thing.
So it'll literally blow air anywhere around the van, and even when we're cooking, it'll blow any smell direct out the door when it's going to be our stove area.
And here will be the sink. So the sink will fit perfectly through here. And if you're wondering why there's some dots here, this is from our TV. So we're seeing where we will put it. So when we put it on, we've already got it, but we're hoping to transfer it to a new one. So here, it will turn so we can look out the window whilst we're eating outside. We can turn it so if we're laying down there, we can look at it there. We can turn it so we look here if we're sitting here, and we can turn it here if we're sitting here. So yeah, that is basically it. We're still waiting for a fridge, but hopefully it'll turn up this weekend. Right, so it's the next day, we've just finished this. So the TV's over here, and let's get the 12 volt, where is it? Here it is, right. So this is the 12 volt, so we need to put it in the 12 volt one here. So this one says 12 volt on it, so we get it, and we put it in there, like that. And then we press this button here, as you can see. So you look over here, you see the power standby button, you press it, so it goes blue here. So then we wait for it to load, we use this remote, and we also have another remote, but this one I like as well, but we also have another remote. So it's loading right now, as you can see. So this is the TV it's working on. So then we go back here, we put lock on it so it doesn't move. There's also some wood here, so we get that it swings as well, so we can face it here. And if we're watching outside, we can turn it and face it like that, but I don't want to do that. So we can put it there, we can put it there, we can put it here. We can also put it facing here, but why would we be watching it there? So yeah, and we can just push it right back. There. So let's get the lock. And we just put it in so it doesn't slide, like this. So it still slides a little bit, but should be good. I haven't put it on properly, but yeah, so I haven't put it on properly, but that's not our TV. So then if we go over here, we've actually put in some cupboards. So if you go here, here's the microwave / oven. Here we've got some little cupboards. So we put this around it so far. So all we do is unwind it like this, and then we see here this pin, we undo it here. Here's some of our tools, but it won't be tools, it'll be pots and pans. Let's just wrap that back around. Like that one. And here, we also have one. So here, we also have one. Let's just unwrap this one. Right, so here, we also have another pin. Here will probably be my daddy's clothes area. Here will be, we've put some racks in it. Here will be the water we can wash our hands and drink out of. And here and have a shower with, of course. So here will be the cups and cutlery. Here will be my clothes cupboard. So let's just wrap this back up. Yeah. So that's basically our van. Right, so this is our van so far. I think it's going to look very good in 2 weeks. And I'd like to say again, thank you Kiki for subscribing, pressing the notification bell. I hope you have a happy birthday, Kiki, because her birthday was on Friday. And anyone who wants to put any mentions down below in the comment section, our details are down below. And also say happy birthday to Kiki in the comments, please. It'll make her day. Bye.